Latch release mechanism thingy-majig. What they've done differently on this to the old e-revo, I'm not fully 100% sure, but they've pretty much beefed it up. So they put X-Max style drive shafts in here, X-Max style diffs, different speed controller. This looks to be the same speed controller what's in the UDR and in the 6S X-Max. So one day, guys, that may well go 8S. The twin steering servos here as before. I don't really know much about this, to be honest. I've not really done that much research. I'm opening this up live. Let's have a look at this body. That looks nice.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
It's got a roll cage in here, a bit like on the X-Max.
We've got some shells in stock that are very similar shape. You never know.
Yeah. Chevy C10. Yeah. Apparently, this has got self-wipe on it as well. Someone has asked me what batteries am I going to use. I don't know yet. Possibly the UDR batteries, what I've just had before, if they fit. They won't fit. These are tight as it is. Yeah. So guys, these are the lipos that I'm going to be running on this, but I'm going to have to buy some more. That's the only set I got. But these are supposed to be just crazy for backflip stunts, all that sort of stuff.
Not with this one.
Nah, I don't know. I don't know. So look how that looks like with that one there. Close old flappage. Where's it go on? It. It's like a little mini X-Max latch.
That is a cool.
Oh no, not on.
That is such a cool little machine. That.
Yes.
I think X-Max is going to need some feeding of some lipo soon, mate.
Yeah. So size comparison.
Hungry with burper.
Put it next to an X-Max. Well, I don't know much more to say about this e-revo until I've played with it more and I've taken it out more. That's pretty much all I've got to show you guys.